everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and what we have here today is Luho box, and this is their luxury herbal care edition. I would consider this as one of the, or if not the best edition of Luho so far, because the brand that we have this time is Just Herbs. We have 5 full-size products from the brand, and the price of the box is I think 1,450 rupees. So Just Herbs as a brand has not been featured like in boxes. There have been once in a while, but full-size products, it's for the first time. So let's get started with the products. I'm really very excited to explore this new brand. So the first product that we have here is Petal Soft Anti-Tan Rose Pack with Indian Ginseng and Licorice. It is for all skin types and 150 grams, and the back side the details are mentioned here, the how to use and things like that. Sturdy packaging, and the price of this one is 625 rupees, and this is the texture. It has a slightly rosy fragrance, not very strong. It does have a spill proofing, it's just stuck to the cap. Anyway, so it didn't spill or anything, so that's good. And I am excited to try this one and share my review with you guys. The next product is something that I've been wanting to try for some time. It is the Malabar Lemongrass Invigorating Gentle Body Wash. It's a plastic bottle actually, and at the back side the ingredients are mentioned. So the products are actually certified organic, and some of the ingredients are EcoCert certified, and they are paraben, SLS free, etc. So that is one thing I like it. And the price of this one is 625 rupees. Okay, so let's just see how the smell of this one is. Yeah, it has a very strong lemongrass like fragrance and a very pretty color as well. The next product is their bestseller actually, the Silk Splash Rehydrant Face Wash, Neem and Bitter Orange, 100 ml for all skin types, and the price is 495 rupees. So this brand is completely made in India, that is one thing, and it is very famous also. So I have been actually, wanting to try the products. Let's just see the fragrance of this face wash. It's a nice fragrance. I'm not able to make out what it is. I can get the orange fragrance for sure, and I can't wait to feature these products on my Instagram. So we already have face care, 2 products, 1 body care, and then we move on to hair care. 8-in-1 root nourishing Amla Neem shampoo for normal to oily hair. Normal to oily hair should mean I can use it. It's 200 ml and the price is 25 rupees as mentioned here. So again, the ingredient list, it contains Amla, Neem, Vetiver, Fenugreek, cold processed wheat germ, soy, lecithin. Okay, so it's a nice classy color actually. It's green and the cap is like golden, very pretty color, and a very nice floral aquatic kind of mixed fragrance, something that I might want my hair to smell like. That is exactly how I can define the fragrance. It's a very good fragrance. The last product in the list is the Bhringraj Hair Oil, Ayurvedic formulary of India, Bhringraj, Brahmi and Indian Gooseberry. It is a pre-wash oil as well as for deep conditioning. No parabens, no mineral oils, and 100% natural for all hair types as well. At the back side, ingredients are mentioned, all good ingredients you would know about. Oil fragrance, let's just see. Yeah, it has that classic oil fragrance. No surprises there. So yeah, that is the last product. So these are all the products that we received in Luho box for the month of, I can't say per se month, usually they begin by the 15th of every month. So this is the herbal luxury edition. I absolutely love this one because you have for face, you have for body, you have for hair like shampoo, conditioner. I absolutely love this box because first of all, the brand Just Herbs. It's for the first time all these products are being featured, and mostly suitable for all skin and hair types. There is no repetition as such, and I am very, very excited actually to test out these products and share my reviews with you guys on Instagram and blog as well. So let me know what are your thoughts on this Luho edition. I absolutely love this one, no confusions there. I will definitely recommend you guys checking it out. So that's it, we will meet again, until then take care, bye.